How to become a Fiverr Level 1 seller. Want to level up on Fiverr? Becoming a Level 1 seller unlocks better visibility, more orders, and higher earnings. In this quick guide, I'll show you the exact steps to reach Level 1 in record time. Let's get started. First, complete at least 10 orders. Consistency matters, so deliver quality work on time. Second, maintain a 4-star rating. A 4.7 star rating or higher. Communicate clearly and exceed expectations. Third, earn at least $400 total. Finally, avoid cancellations and respond to messages within 24 hours. Follow these rules for 60 days and Fiverr will promote you to level 1 automatically. That's it. Focus on these key metrics and you will hit level 1 fast. For more Fiverr growth tips, subscribe and hit the bell. Thanks for watching. Now go crush your goals.